Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Mazni binti Zulkifli and I will be presenting about the specifications of Mekar vending machine. So first of all, what is a sanitary napkin vending machine? A sanitary napkin vending machine is a self-service vending machine used for dispensing sanitary napkins against acceptance of coins. So how does it work? After the coin insertions, the motor will rotate clockwise directions and the pad will fall on the dispensing point. The infrared sensor located at dispensing will recognize the pad and the motor will stop from rotating. From the dispensing point, the sanitary napkins can be collected. Our Mekar vending machines took inspirations from the product design made by Japan, which is the electronic sanitary napkin vending machine. And to use this dispenser, they will need to first download the free Oiter apps on their iOS or Android smartphone and first registered as a member. Only then, they will go to the dispenser and connect the phone by using a Bluetooth and receive a free pad after playing the video ads. So our Mekar vending machines is to pursue the idea of to make sanitary napkins available to women at any time, in any public toilets and any public facilities, as to ensure the menstrual hygienes for women. And of course to provide sanitary napkins at affordable prices, which can be bought by anybody, especially the B40. And last but not least is to pursue our ambition and our ideals of making Malaysia as a developing country like any other.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Fatimah Syafqami Matsin, and I will be explaining about the product development workflow on our Mekar vending machine. So there's three workflow that we use. First one that we use sketches design, which we will design the first design and we 2D sketches it. The second one we computer aided the design, which we computerize all the design in our laptop, or implementation with 3D construction and virtual environment. And the third one is a prototype where will be constructed for a target product. So the first one, we will go to the sketch design. We have 4 sketch design that be made by Mazni binti Zulkifli. Mazni showed that there's 4 different design. The first one is a rectangular box, which is more sideways, and the second one we have the rectangular box too, but it's more to height. And they also show the pet trays that we can know that the pet is there or they are not in stock. And the third one is way longer, rectangular size, and also most of the vending machine are based on the Indians vending machine, and most of them are manual design, and we have modernized it to make it more comfortable for people to understand and make them better to feel or recognize all the things that, because most of us have phones that help them by this sketch design, which most of them have LCD, and most of mobile phones are using touching apps, touching screen. So the second slide is computer-aided design. The design is mixed between design sketch 1 and number 4. We are pursuing more affordable design that curvy look, and of the 4 design that shape of a woman were also meant for a safety measure. So we have the front view of the design, and we also the 40-degree view of the vending machine. We also share about the dimension guide of Mekar vending machine. So the Mekar vending machine will be mounted on the wall, as you can see, and we have a life-size woman that's about 160 centimeter and above, and we have a visualization about how that the vending machine when mounted to the wall, so they not taking more spaces like the garbage can on the lower side that could be an obstacle for us to walk through. We also share about Mekar vending machine manual. So the Mekar vending machine manual will be on the LCD vending machine, so people on that specific part when you're about to buy, there will be a manual went out to show how would you buy and how can you use the vending machine. So the first one, choose your payment method, whether it's a manual payment, which is a bill acceptor, which is you're using money or bill, and also a coin. The second one is e-payment, which you scan using your phone, and so apart from after you pick or after you prove from buying the sanitary pad, so the LCD screen will show the type of the sanitary pad that we use. They have a lot of type, most branded sanitary pad, which is like Kotex, L'Oreal, and so on. So after that, gently touch the LCD screen using your finger to choose your sanitary pad. So the LCD screen is touch screen, and the vending machine will give you sanitary pad, which there are sensor that could make that they know that the people are trying to pick up the sanitary pad from the, and also have a history that can make the pickup box open. So you just push the transparent pickup box and pick up your sanitary pad. So apart from we making the sanitary pad vending machine, which is mostly contactless e-payment method and also a normal payment, we're also making an app to find any nearby sanitary pad vending machine, or also try to sending feedback and reports about our vending machine. So this is the app interface. As a user screen, they have a Mekar logo on front, and we have we have three sign in, whether you're using Apple or Google, or the third one is your email, which is you want to use another email apart from using Apple or Google sign in. Register screen, we use a username to make a simple login. We also use a full name to make sure that the user use full name, so we can update it to them, to their email based on their name. We also use a phone number so we can update it to them. The news for the sanitary pad, like how they support us, and we also put some date of birth, so each time their birthday they could get a free a sanitary pad through our vending machine, or we can make different ways, which may be sending them to their address to their home. So the second one is a new user login screen. So yes, we're welcoming our member to Mekar apps. So most of the new user we have benefits, which is they can get a sanitary pad on our vending machine. And the second one is we're given a free sanitary pad to the B40 rank. And then the third one is we get the new member get a 30% off from food purchasing from the vending machine. For the home screen, as you can see on the top left of the screen, we have account icon on it, and they can show your picture on it. And on the right side of the icon, we put your username on it, and below from that is mostly our news and some health tips from doctor or some specialist and professional that not just about sanitary pads. It's about woman life and woman hygienic that could help them that could help women to know more about how to take care of their body and how to prevent all of the awful things that could help make their life more better. And the second interface here is a account interface, which is if you click on the top left of the home screen, or you can choose on the bottom right of the screen, which is have the account icon on down there. So will pop up the account screen, which show the detail of your membership, the settings, the help center, and also about Mekar. You also can edit your info from this. So we also made the vending machine location, which is a locator, to check our Mekar vending machine that near you, so they could help you to choose like when you are in a hurry or you need the sanitary pad ASAP. So you can use the vending machine locator. So vending machine will be mounted on the public toilet, such as like on the night market public toilet. So the second one, we could mount it on like Aeon public toilet. So you are in rush, but by this vending machine locator, they could help you finding a vending machine for your emergency and to finding the sanitary pad. So the right side of that is the point screen, which is every time you purchase our sanitary pad, whether using our vending machine or we use our vending machine, so they have points every time you use it. For the point, we have a ranking for the point too. So the first ranking is Puspita, which is we choose a Puspita, which is a classic Malay word to call bunga. Well, actually we have only two rank, which is the first one is just bunga, and the second one is Puspita, which is you start to collect more points in our